what's up YouTube? It's Mike again. Also going to be replacing the cabin filter in this car. I did double check. There is supposed to be a cover panel over the air filter, or the box, but there isn't. So let me show you kind of where it is. I'll grab the camera. It's in the passenger side under the glove box. It's this right here. There's a little tab, but normally there'll be a panel here, so you just pull towards the passenger side of the car and it'll come down and out. This thing is disgusting. I can't believe we've been breathing all that crap. All right, so I got out of the car. Let me hand the camera over. But as you can see, this is what it's collecting, so it's not blowing through your air vents. The new one, I got a micro guard cabin air filter, part number 3968. Probably exactly what it was. That one was. And all you have to do to put it back in, it's got these 6 little clips, and then you just kind of slide it up and in, and she's ready to go back in the car. Goes back in the car pretty much the same way. Maybe I got it backwards. Can't be. One way. Alright, she's in. Oh, there's nothing super difficult about this. Obviously I struggled a little bit to get it in. But this is one of those things you should replace every once in a while when you see how disgusting they can get. I mean, you're breathing that. So I did see, if you buy them, I'm not endorsed by MicroGuard or anything, but you can buy these replacement ones on Amazon with Febreze in them. So the air is blowing through a Febreze filter and you should smell that. If you made it this far in this video, I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. And if you're a returning viewer, let me know if there's anything else you want to see in the future. Hey, I appreciate you. Thank you.